This is why it's called the Impenetrable Forest. It is so thick you can't see anything there. Starting our trek to see the mountain gorillas. We have two rangers with us, one with a gun and the other one with a machete. Getting thicker and thicker. And he's trying to call to the gorillas.
Down we go. And these guys are moving fast. Bet we have a lot of ground to cover.
Apparently, there was so much rain that we're going to potentially have to cross over this river. We unfortunately do not have the right shoes for them. It's creating a new route if possible. Good luck, buddy.
Just sorting it out. Whatever it takes.
Shoes off it is.
They're gonna carry.
Oh my god.
That's service right there.
Wow.
Okay. They decided you were good in light. Okay, so far so good. If you fall, I got it on video. That's the important thing. Wow. I could have done that. You should have asked me. I would have done it for her. It would have been easy. Easy. All right. I guess I'm next.
I told you to not eat so much this morning. The weight is shifting. What's going on? Is that extra piece of beef you got going on?
I would call that fairly uneventful. He's over there.
So as I told you in the morning that we have a team of trackers who follow them early in the morning. They are the ones who direct us as we come. So there are 3 guys here.
Thank you.
When one charges, you don't run, you just stand still. Okay? In case one charges or becomes aggressive, just stand still.
Good
no
tip.
need to run in the way.
You're so cute. Oh, they're crossing.
Is she pregnant? Is she pregnant? Is she pregnant? Is she pregnant?
Yeah,
she's pregnant.
She's pregnant. You watch him, he's passing. You see the black butt? That's a young man. And the big knife. You don't miss.
There's another one behind us.
This is crazy.
They're all right next to us. There she goes. She cleaned that vine right off. That was no joke. I'm good. It's all spiky. Everything is spiky.
It's really, really thick.
There's a silverback. Just chillaxing in the river. Striking a pose. Big man. Big man on the move. two. And two maybe, I guess. There's a 5-year-old. Just crossed the river. Oh, and that one's in the tree up there. They literally crossed the river right above us. That's how they cross? Way up there. Crossing on the other side of the river. Look at that.
Friend.
Where's the big guy?
Friend.
Stop, stop. Ooh. Do they smell?
Continue there.
I smell it, right? That's them?
Yeah.